Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to position an image to the front in Canva. So for us to be able to do so, let's add in some photos first in here so that we could go ahead and adjust the layers of it. So here on elements, let's just go ahead and add in some stock photos in here. Search in dogs, click onto photos, for example, this one. Let's add that. And then let's add another photo and then another photo. So as you can see, it will go ahead and overlap it, and the sequence depends on when did you add this. So for example, the first photo that we have added, since this one is onto the last, we want to go ahead and bring this to front. You'll just have to right click onto this and then hover onto layers. So you could go ahead and bring this forward. So it will go ahead overlap the second photo. Let's undo this. But if you want to go ahead and overlap all of the photos, just right click onto it and bring this automatically to the front. So you could do the same thing onto the other photos in here. Just choose onto which one. And the same thing, if you want to go ahead and have this one onto the back, just right click onto this. And then you could send this backward to move one step. But if you want to go ahead and have this completely sent to the back, then click onto send to back. And that is just basically it, how you position an image to the front in Canva. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.